Welcome to Bosch Packaging Technology at Pack Expo Las Vegas 2017. I'm Eric Austin, Product Sales Manager, and today we'd like to talk about the SVC 4020. The SVC 4020 is Bosch's continuous motion vertical form fill seal packaging machine that is designed for the Food Safety Modernization Act and targets the hygienic market. Markets such as fresh and frozen, IQF, fresh produce, powder, all free-flowing goods. SVC stands for Simplicity, Versatility, Cleanability. Simplicity, it's simple to operate. Versatile, many pack styles, various sizes. Cleanability, full hygienic design, rounded surfaces or angled surfaces, full welded seams, very open design. And following with the autonomous vehicle market and the automotive industry, Bosch has ventured into this market and looking for autonomous packaging machines. It's our first step. We're using automotive sensor technology for monitoring drop detection, setting speed. Again, our first step in autonomous packaging machines. We just won the German Packaging Award in 2017 for this innovation. For more information, please visit boschpackaging.com.